Welcome
What?
to a video here in OG Fun Monkey Horror.
No, that's a video.
Yeah, and
You
today
want
we got a special
with
guest.
Burger.
Burger.
Yeah, Burger. He like,
Alright.
I don't know, we found him on the streets yesterday. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, begging for cash.
He's not getting paid for this, you know.
He's
Alright,
begging
so can
for
we,
fly.
like,
go
All right. What's the first one? Let's
go to Deptown. Over there.
Town.
Yeah.
Let's
Alright, let's go.
go. Let's go. Ooh. I'm over here.
No, where'd he go? Oh,
Right here.
over here, man.
All right.
Yeah, man.
We gotta
You have to find the
explore.
monster.
He's over here. I heard some special noises over here. He must be here.
Let's go. I'm the cameraman. I need
Oh,
to-
nah.
Oh.
What's that noise?
Who wants to go get him? Let's all go.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Let's go get a
Nah,
little
you
boy.
go in front, gang. You go in front.
I don't like that. I'm not
Cameraman
going.
never dies.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. All of us, all
Cameraman
together, all
never
together.
Everybody never dies.
You go.
Go.
Cameraman never dies.
Cameraman never dies, bro. The cameraman never
Bro never dies.
We're right behind you.
What do you mean?
Cameraman
You're
never
going.
dies.
We're going together. We're being side by side.
Okay, let's go.
All right, let's go.
You gotta be the first one to get a clip of him.
I mean, that
Where would he
kinda
be?
right.
Oh, he's right there! I've never been through that jump scare. I've never been through that jump scare.
Oh my god.
That was an insane jump scare. Dude,
Wait,
he
go
plays like
downstairs, go
funk
downstairs.
music.
Lead him on the ground.
Bonk.
What's up, guys? Move.
He's going downstairs.
There's a little blood.
Are you alive?
Oh my god, he's dead.
Blood!
How'd you do that? No. Oh, shoot, he's coming up here!
What's up, bro?
We good, gang?
Are you sure about doing that, milk?
Hey, man. Think you just want a high five, right?
Dude.
You woke up
He
on
looks
the
like
wrong side of the
knockoff
bed.
Bendy.
Move away, babe. Move away. Oh my god.
Bendy from Timu.
Oh my god.
Bendy and
Yeah.
Machine.
Bendy from Timu.
Okay.
Stop! Oh my god.
He's over there. He ran away.
He's right there.
He did not run away.
Wait, someone go down. Wait, we all gotta go on the floor.
He's gonna come down here as
Go on the
fast
floor,
as he
go on
can.
the floor, go on the floor.
Dude, go on the floor. Cameraman never dies.
Dude, he's coming
They
over
always
here.
say.
He is. He really is, man.
Where is he?
Dude, I just get down.
Oh my god, dude. I just got him up there.
Bro left. Oh, damn, man. He's still
No,
there.
he's going down.
Oh.
Dude,
Bro's
down
bugging.
here.
Come on, man.
Oh shit. Ooh, milk juice.
Haha.
Oh,
Oh,
Bendy and the ink machine.
Bendy in the ink machine. He got lost.
oh my god.
Close.
Where's this little critter?
He's right there.
Hello, critter. He's dead.
That was terrifying.
He's squeaking
His,
out, bro.
his jump scares. Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Did he take our guest?
Yeah.
Please go. Oh no.
Let's go off.
I'm running.
He's spawn killing me. He's spawn killing me. What am I supposed to do?
Bro's getting
All right.
bro.
What's the next guy? What's the next one, guys?
I don't know.
Place?
Let's do
Quiet place.
no. Let's do one last.
Night.
Yeah, let's do night.
Or night.
Fine.
All right.
I don't wield the power.
You have the power, bro. What do you want?
Right.
Yeah, you have the power.
Oh, never mind, I do.
All right.
Onward.
Right. Let's go check on the.
Them camera system.
The cameras are broken, guys. You have to go check on the yourselves. Oh!
Gotta go invest.
Go back!
Oh my god.
Oh, I think we're safe.
Freddy.
Is that-
Freddy,
Go back!
Fred.
Ready?
Whoa.
Pretty. Pretty.
Chica!
Well, they
Come
nice.
back now!
Pretty. They nice. Pretty. Chica. Chica. Open door. Open door.
Chenka.
Close door.
Dude, he's right there.
Chica. Chica.
Where's Chica?
Yeah, this door's low-key kind of nice.
Chica,
Chenka.
Oh, Chica! Get it! Close the door!
Guys,
Wait,
we're
who's that
locked
then?
in.
We locked in for real.
Cams.
I swear, I thought you opened the damn door. I was about to, like,
open.
crash out.
Get a bow
The
tie.
door about to open.
We're gonna need to juke Chica out, bruh.
How?
The door about to open.
Like this.
The door about to open.
Juke!
Nah, nah.
Oh, juked! Juked!
Chica!
Bonnie! Bonnie's right there! Bonnie?
No, dog's right
Bonnie.
there.
Chica. Chica, you
I want
good?
to go.
Freddy!
Bonnie.
Freddy!
Chica,
Freddy!
What are we supposed to do?
Bro,
Chica.
that's Freddy. That's
Chica.
Freddy, bro.
Dude, we're stuck. At least I'm
We're fine.
Okay, I
bro.
guess Chica's there forever. Chica's there forever.
It's Foxy.
No, dude, she just needs a hug, bro. She low-key just needs a hug.
Close the door! Close the door! Close the door! Close the door!
What do you want?
Which door?
Okay. Bonnie's right there.
Bro, he's over there. Come on,
Okay.
guys. Let's give him a hug.
Oh, close the door!
Hey, man, I would run if I were you. I would go this way. Yeah.
I just saw an animatronic running.
Where's Freddy?
Are they glitched? Where's Burger? Where's the rest?
Oh,
Bro's tweaking.
weaker. Oh,
Oh, shit! He's moving! He's moving!
Oh my god. Chica's moving. Chica's moving. Bye!
Oh, he did. Why is he?
Guys.
bro.
Guys.
You can go the other way, bro.
Oh, shoot!
Oh, yeah, that's true.
He juked him!
Barney. Barney.
Like,
do you
there's
look
no one
like,
to go
Bonnie?
inside Foxy's Cove.
Where's Foxy?
I
Foxy,
guess
come
so.
out!
Cameraman never dies going there, man.
I'm not going in there.
Oh
Go
god,
on,
he's on me.
go
He's
on.
on me.
We have to somehow
Freddy,
get
Freddy.
Right,
Freddy.
let's get on the stage.
What's up, bro?
We're
I'm
dead.
bobbing with him.
Run!
Go back. Let's go to place. Let's go to place.
Don't know.
Let's go to place.
Place. I'm trying to go.
Place? No, let's go to cross space instead.
Cross space?
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
You can go first. Go first.
No, you go.
Go!
Where?
Alright, which way?
Who votes that
Let's
Funny
go this
Monkey
way.
leads the way?
Hey, cameraman never dies.
Police are undressed.
Cameraman. Cameraman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cameraman never dies.
Alright, cameraman, go.
Go.
Oh, this one. We shall go.
One person in front of me. One person.
Hossein, yo.
We're all of us
Hey,
piled
yo.
together.
Oh, yeah. I said, oh. Boo, no, 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 no,
Bro.
no, no. This way. This way.
We gotta go this way.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. This way, this way.
Dude, who farted?
I think Parker did. Oh, no, no, no. This way, Parker. What are you?
Let's go this way.
All right. Quick roll crap. Funny Monkey, Milk, Pico, Burger.
Hurry
Why are
up.
you dancing? Let's go. Oh,
Oh my god, bro's gunning that.
where's the little blood?
Yo, we
go?
just wanted a high five. What?
Think over here.
We go this way.
Go this way.
Good try.
I'm a
This one.
Mike.
This way.
This way?
This way.
This way.
Gang, we're lost.
This is
This way.
down.
This way. This way.
Down, go. We go down. We go down. We go down. We go down.
Cameraman never dies.
One more game. One more game. One more game.
This way. This
One
way.
more
This way.
grip. One more grip.
One more game. One more game. One more game.
This way.
Copyright.
One more game.
strike.
One more game. One more game.
I'm pretty sure he's behind us.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. He's right there.
I heard something.
Let's go to a different map.
Yeah.
It's not.
This map's boring.
I don't want to go in place.
Why not?
I don't know.
We have to show them place.
No, we don't. Let's go. Let's go sewers.
What is sewers? I've never been in sewers.
Yeah, sewers.
That's where we found him.
Burger. I know we just found you yesterday, but come on, man.
He might be. He might
You
be
gotta
in a
go
lot of
back,
videos.
man.
All right.
Let's go.
Where'd the other guy go? Where'd Milk go?
I think he already went in there.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah.
Nope.
So what's up?
Where's there? Where's Burger? Where's Milk?
Alright, let's go.
Where's Milk? Where's
Let's go.
Burger? Where'd they go?
Where are the others?
I don't know.
I'm here. Where's Alan?
All right.
Oh.
Milk is here.
Let's go. Left or right?
Funny Monkey's here. This way.
Burger.
This way. Where's the Phase Rugs haunted tunnel, guys?
Phase rug onto tunnel.
Yo, stop! I think I just heard something down that tunnel.
Sunshine!
I know. Ohio acting.
Drop all your weapons.
Shut up.
Bye-bye. Juju. Jaja. Lugu. Bye-bye.
What's up, guys? My name's now Noah.
Bye-bye.
We
Definitely.
should have probably picked out someone else to collab with.
Boo-boo.
Wait, this is the spot we met him in.
Yeah.
Right here in the corner. He was still right here eating his goldfish.
This goldfish.
Dude.
Alright, how do you guys feel? How do you guys feel?
I don't know.
The air is getting tighter.
We lost all service!
Wait. I lost my GoPro.
Wow. Wow. You guys still have yours on, right?
Nope.
Nah. Forgot
Lost
it, bro.
all the footage for real.
Ooh. Found the
We
tea.
go
Does
this
that
way.
look
No, we go
okay?
that way. No, we go
Go this way.
God, they're telling me.
Okay. Okay, why not?
This way.
Let's go.
Okay, go.
Burger, you should know this place. You lived here most of your life, right?
Yeah, it's your neighborhood.
Yeah.
At first his name was Dumpster Diver Dan, but we changed his name.
Dive Dan. There's not even garbage down here, man, to look through.
It's just
We're like,
a line
Where we go?
of water. Oh, the gods are telling me.
I'm kind of thirsty, Loki.
For real though.
You guys are all gonna
Let me
die.
drop my... I
guys-
dropped my flashlight.
Last one at the end of this title is the run egg.
Where is the end, bro?
Okay. Like.
Oh no! No! I messed up! No, I messed
Go
up!
really fast.
Yeah! I mean, not a run egg.
I'm the right.
There's something over there.
I dropped my hydro flask.
Guys, come on.
Hyper
Timothy, we got this, Timothy.
Who the heck is Timothy?
Is there even a monster here?
I don't know. We're gonna have to
Wait,
die
guys,
if we wanna-
look at this trick. Look at this cool trick.
If we're gonna want to go back home, we're gonna have to somehow find the exit and go back home.
Yeah,
Alright, let's
that's like
retrace
long
our
gone
steps.
by now, bro.
Saw you, gang.
Alright,
All you
retrace our
cameraman,
steps.
gopher,
Let's go back.
Cameraman.
Honestly, I forgot the way we came.
Hey.
What?
Hey.
Leave him behind, leave him behind.
Go!
We can't afford this paycheck, bro.
We can't afford any of our paychecks. Come on.
Oh,
I don't think we're gonna find a monster in here, man.
Watch this cool trick.
okay. Can we like cut the camera and
Yeah,
actually
we
find something interesting?
the camera.
Cut the cam.
We're now cut to from my snap. We're cut to when we're back. 3, 2, 1.